Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and let's go on an adventure together with New Belgium and their new Voodoo Ranger Hop Raider. So, like I said, this is a brand new Voodoo Ranger variant, their Hop Raider. This is now going to be taking the place of one of my personal favorite Voodoo Rangers, the 1985. So I hope it's up for the task. Let's check it out. This beer comes in at an 8.1% ABV, a 43 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.77. Voodoo Ranger has unearthed world-class hops packed with big notes of citrus, stone fruit, and a refreshing bitter bite. At 8.1%, hold on tight. All right, so let's check this beer out. Actually, right away, this looks great. It's clear. I can see through it. It's really nice looking. It's got some good carbonation, good head. It smells really good too. It smells like a good tropical IPA, not overly juicy, but just like a good tropical hop IPA. You smell malt, you smell hoppiness, you smell fruitiness. Very overall pleasant. Ooh. Oh wow, that is easy drinking. Wow, that's good. It's not bold in your face like the 1985 or the Juice Force. It doesn't taste like this big juicy beer. It tastes like a tropical IPA. It has a malt backbone. The bittering notes are very light and subtle. It's not aggressively hopped to have that big, bold, piney, grassy note flavors. No, it's very subtle. There's a hint of a bitteriness at the back end. That's right. The fruitiness, when it said everything is a hint of, there's actually, I think, more fruitiness in the aromatics than there is in the flavor. I get more malt bodiness in the flavor. I get kind of a tropical fruit bubblegum malt flavor in the middle. And this is 8.1%. And then now a little bitteriness. So there we go. This is really well done. This doesn't actually even have that New Belgian malt yeasty characteristics that they used to have a few years ago. There was a problem with the Voodoo Ranger series, say 4 or 5 years ago, that just whatever they came out with didn't taste very good. It always kind of tasted the same. Every IPA, every variant tasted the exact same. Recently though, I would say in the past 2 years, oh my gosh, since the 1985 was the most impressive one I've ever seen them do. And then the Juice Force. And this in itself at 8.1%. Is this easily drinkable? This is something I would easily buy again. So New Belgium's Voodoo Ranger Hop Raider IPA. No, they don't call this a double, at least in name, but ABV wise, it is a double. And my goodness, it's great, it's fantastic. The more and more I drink it, the more fruity notes come out, the more smooth malt characteristics come through, and less bittering notes. It becomes a very easily dangerous beer at 8.1%. I can just picture myself having this at a bar, having a burger, having this at home, having this as my drink for watching a movie. It is a solid big beer. It is a body-wise, right into that nice medium light category. I feel I could chug it, but I don't want to. But if I needed to, I could. It's a fantastic beer. I was worried when New Belgium told me that this was going to be taking over the 1985 variant, and I asked them, when that's going to be coming back, and they said, well, we don't really know. So, which again, that's one of my favorite variants. This, I think I'm gonna be all right now. This is fantastic. Go check it out. Trust me, it's a really decent beer. I mean, it's not gonna blow your socks off, but my gosh, for the price and the flavor and 8.1%, it's really good. New Belgium's Voodoo Ranger series is gotten really, really good. Check them out. Cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links for those will be at the very bottom of the description. Have you gotten to try the new Hop Raider IPA yet? What was your favorite New Belgium Voodoo Ranger variant? Juice Force, this one in 1985 are probably still my top 3. This one balances between 3 and 2. That Juice Force, man, that thing's amazing.